I have never ever in my life ride a chopper before. Yep, never ever. But this guy, he rode a chopper and it was insane. It was totally insane. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Nate'z Nite Show, engaging conversation weekly night. So, it's your boy Nate here. How are you guys doing? That's the first question I'll ask every intro of my video. You can tell that Nate, I am be going through a lot of shit. It's like, yeah, life is like that. They have a lot of obstacles in life. A lot of people, and you have to go through it. Yes, you have to go through it, man. Sometimes people will say life is you need to have a dream, you need to have a goal. Yes, that's true, but at the same time, the dream and goal that you're chasing, that's one thing, but at the same time, the journey, something. Sometimes I will think about, like, what's the dream, what am I going to do, what am I going to do in my life, but I always forget about the present moment is, you have to like stop and enjoy the present moment. It's always about the journey, not the destination. So this is what I'm going to tell you. So enjoy what you're doing along the way. So yep. So that's one of the takeaway for today. So let's jump right back into the video. Alright, today about the helicopter thingy, right? So I never ride helicopter before. I had the chance to ride it, but at the same time that day was a rainy day. The weather is not good. So they had to cancel it. Yep. So now we're gonna see IshowSpeed. He's flying a helicopter for the first time. So let's jump right back into it, man. All right.
Yeah.
Right? To the right.
Yeah.
By the way, this guy is
Where we
in
going?
Belgium right now.
I'm going right here.
Good.
It's fine, bro. It's fine.
It's coming.
What's coming?
Present. Big present.
Big present?
Yeah.
Who? What's the present?
You want to know?
No, don't tell me.
Okay.
Give me a hint.
Do it.
No, don't give me a hint. Give me a hint that I won't know.
That's difficult. The sky.
What the hell are you on about? The sky.
The sky, yes. But
The sky is falling.
you have to wait.
Oh, I know what's falling. I'm falling for her, man.
Okay, so can you guess?
Is that a helicopter?
That's your present.
Is that a helicopter? Is that a helicopter?
Special for you. Watch out.
Holy shit!
Oh, shit.
Wait, are we getting in it?
Yeah.
Nah.
You can fly.
Nah, I'm not getting in that. Nah, I'm not getting in that. No, hell no, you're not coming. What the fuck? Hey!
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
This guy is
Hey!
crazy, man.
Hey!
You think they are going to hear, man? Oh, man.
Hey!
Is he there? Yeah.
Oh, where is he?
You gotta
Am I
go
not
over there.
seeing him or what?
Oh, he's going.
Oh, he's coming back, he's coming back! Oh, hell no, Chad.
Wow.
Chad, should we go in there?
Yeah, of
That's
course.
so low.
I
He's
fixed this
flying
for
the kite
you.
so low, man.
Oh, hell no! He's about to land.
Yeah.
Yo, Chad, should we go in the helicopter? Yeah, I already. Oh, you already? Yeah. Hold on, look at it again. Damn! Yo!
Whoa.
Yo! Yo!
Holy shit. Is he flying too close to
Oh, fuck.
the street light or what? It's not too close, man. Looks like it.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. What, bro? Bro, what the? It's over there. Yo! Yo!
This guy is hiding.
Let's go! Come on, chat! Helicopter time! Helicopter time!
One more photo.
Chat, this...
Now I will leave.
What?
I will leave.
You're not going on a helicopter?
No, you can go.
No, you can't do that.
I'm sorry, but
You can't do that.
you can do it. I trust you.
Yeah, but
It's my present for you.
you can't do that, Selena.
You have to enjoy it.
You really gonna do that?
I'm sorry. You can do it.
She's gonna leave me to go by myself? That's all right, bet. Okay, cool. All right, bet. She gonna leave me to go by myself. All right. That's crazy, chat. Selena's really not about to go on it. All right. All right.
You can do it.
I will. Yo. I'm about to go on a helicopter, bro.
You did it before?
No.
No, it's
I
the
ne-
first time.
I never got on a helicopter.
Oh, in Belgium. Nice.
I never got on a helicopter. I never got on a helicopter before.
I did once.
What?
It's okay. Almost.
That shit's scary, bro. I'm kind of getting scared, chap. How the hell did they find every way? All right, it's gone now. What's up? So you know how to drive this?
I know how to drive it.
All right.
Wait.
kgs,
Kgs.
126.
Maximum weight for the helicopter is 130.
Is what?
It told you was 100 kilograms, so that's no point.
130.
What's the maximum weight?
130. Nederlands, ja. Ja.
Mag ik even uw identificatie zien?
Moet ik zien?
Hoe wordt het? Mag ik even informeren naar de aanvraag en dergelijke?
Maximum weight? You need a maximum weight? You're too heavy? You go.
No, I'm also.
No, come on. Come on then. You're... No, you
So you can
should you sit in the back?
Back? Point back.
Yeah, but what if you want to see outside though?
You can see outside.
Is this single
I know
pilot or
that.
what?
How do wait? Let me see.
Looks like single pilot, huh?
Just don't step up. Just put your leg very good. Like here, and you can hold on there. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's best you sit right here. Okay.
Go there?
And you go on the other side. Get in. Yes, you go on.
I don't think.
All right, bye. Give me a hug, just for good luck.
See you.
All right, bye.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm putting my seatbelt on. Hold on.
Bro, I'm not confident in this shit.
Okay.
Maybe move this. Yeah, maybe move this for the.
This one here?
Yeah.
We have this.
So basically this
mine,
chopper
Yes.
is
yours.
right
Since I
by
won't be able to hear each other. I'm
single
not sure.
pilot. Okay.
This shit's scary, bro. Yo, take us the quickest route, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I just don't. I'm just scared.
So they
And
don't
watch
have
out for
any
that.
co-pilots. Okay.
Bro, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared as fuck.
Sir, bro.
Bro, I don't want to.
Just so you know,
Buckle up.
the pole behind us.
You hear me? There's a pole behind
Yeah.
us.
We're going to third and take street.
I'm scared as fuck, bro. Hopefully the seatbelt saved me. Yo, maybe fix the brightness from outside. Looks a little bit weird. Oh,
How can you see more outside?
yeah.
Good luck, guys.
All right. Oh my God. I'm scared as fuck.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Oh, I hear you. I hear you.
It's gonna be
Okay,
so freaking loud.
I hear you now. I hear you. I hear you. I hear you.
Without the headphones,
Oh my
you
God.
cannot hear shit.
Holy shit. Fuck, bro. This shit's scary as fuck. What the fuck am I doing? Oh my God, this helicopter is shaky as fuck.
Looks like your flight's up there.
Yeah, I am, bro. So please drive this safe, bro. Just drive it the safest you can. Very, very scared. Don't do no tricks in the air. No tricks. I just wanna. I'm scared as shit, bro. Very scared.
This guy
Fuck,
is
Chad.
scared as fuck, man.
Oh shit. Do you have like an emergency like say if like I don't know like if it gets out of control, do we have any emergency like
We just keep it under control.
okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Shit. Oh my God, yo. Oh my God.
Okay. Do the prayers, man.
Yo, chat, can y'all hear me? Say pizza if y'all can hear me. Say pizza. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God.
I mean,
know,
I can basically see like the chopper's body, the vibration of it, like.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, he's feeling it, man. He's feeling it, man.
Just about to get there, boy.
I know, I'm not having a mic. Holy shit. Why do you want to hear? I know, if I want to tell you something, I'll put the mic up. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God, this feels so weird. Oh my God. Oh my God, this feels too weird. Oh my God. What? Yes. I'm just saying I don't want to go for that long, so. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Oh my God, dude.
Very, very careful.
Yeah, very careful.
It's gonna be scary as shit when you're sitting in front, man.
Oh yeah, they can.
Because the visibility, the way it's gonna be like, you're gonna see like a lot of things in
Like
front
it
of
doesn't
you.
just feel safe though. It feels some shit I'm so scared about.
By the way, this guy is
Shit,
streaming
bro,
live.
W's in the chat.
Yeah.
W's in the chat.
So that is why it's like
We in an airplane.
kinda,
We in an airplane.
yeah. He's having poor connection.
How much?
Poor connections.
Is it snake file? You're out. We're out right now.
Look, the comments are fucking crazy, man.
Y'all.
People are telling like,
Yo,
jump,
he's in the
jump,
chat,
IShowSpeed,
y'all.
jump.
W's in the chat.
Like WW.
Yeah, it does. Right in the back, yeah.
Yo. Backflip. That,
I could just get out. No. Yeah. Okay.
A lot of people are telling like jump, jump, like backflip. Do a backflip.
I don't want to. What we want to do? Stay in a helicopter? I am in the damn
Comment sections
helicopter.
are fucking crazy.
Please pray for my safety. We're about to land right now. Holy shit. Oh, shit, we're about to land. About to land.
The landing is gonna be rough, man. Is it?
That wire. Watch that wire.
I'm not going to shut down here. Get out.
Yeah, I see him. I see him.
Oh, this guy's landed.
Yeah, I know. I see him. I see him.
He has a good skill, man.
We can just walk. Yeah, we can walk. We can walk.
He landed smoothly, man.
Yeah. You want Yeah. Yes, we do.
Where is he going, man?
W's in the chat! W's in the chat! Bro, that shit was scary as fuck. That shit was scary as shit.
Yep. He landed pretty well, so he's a good skill driver, man. So normally I will see people land. It's like they will land like directly. They will hit the ground. So it's like you feel the impact, you know. But this guy, he landed so. I mean, not I never felt it, but I can view from it. It's like he did it so smoothly. So yeah, I mean, IshowSpeed, he didn't do any crazy stuff, so that's good. You know, if he did any of the things that he regularly do in that chopper, I'm telling you that the pilot is going to kick him out. Yep. So that is all, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Cheers.